Right, so I hope everyone's right. Don't panic, but we're now officially all on lockdown in the UK. So, I was watching the telly earlier on, and Boris was on, and Marinda had said, better watch this, because might be important. Watched it, and then he said we was on lockdown, which I absolutely couldn't believe, because I'd said to her, I didn't think he would actually do it. I thought, to be honest, he would just keep saying, you know, that we've got to stay in, and, you know, I know he said he was going to assess it after 24 hours, but I didn't actually think that he would actually lock us down like this. You know, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, it's a good thing, you know. Got to keep us all, you know, safe or whatever, you know. But I didn't think he would do it. So apparently, it says, this is what I was just trying to find out on my phone. I took a picture. It says, only leave home for shopping for basic necessities, one form of exercise a day, any medical need or care for a vulnerable person, or travelling to and from work only if absolutely necessary. So I think what he needs to do really is he needs to clarify some of this stuff, because one I've read was you could go to work if you had to. Another one was you could only go to work if it was absolutely necessary and you was like a key worker. So some of this needs to be clarified. Apparently they're also shutting all non-essential shops. Post offices and food shops and that still be open. Doctors, chemists, things like that. Going to stop gatherings and disperse people and issue fines to people who keep going out or something. You know, so a bit of a... It's going to be different, you know. So I've already been given my orders, you know, classic. Don't sit here all day doing YouTube videos and writing books. Make sure you do something around the house. So I'll have to see what I can do. Do a bit of this and a bit of that. Yeah, it's going to be different, and I hope everyone's safe, you know, and look after anyone who needs looking after. Do you know what I mean? You know. Yeah, so I think you're probably going to see a lot of YouTube videos about this, and a lot of people may be doing more YouTube videos because they're going to have the time to do it, I would have thought. I don't know what to do at the minute, work-wise. You know, whether to go out and do things or just stay in. You know, I don't know actually what the law is or whatever at the minute. You know, whether people who do kind of outdoor kind of work, which isn't really necessary, whether they can still go out and do it, or we've got to stay in. I'll have to, you know, see what happens in the next 24 hours, see if they work something out. So yeah, it's going to be weird, it's going to be different. I just hope everyone's safe and everyone's right. And I think all these rules and that, it's a good idea to do the social distancing and keeping away from people. It probably is, it's all for the best, really. Yeah. Anyway, stay safe, look after each other, and I hope you've got plenty of supplies. You can still get some, you're allowed to go to shops. Anyway, I thought I'd just do this quick video about it. Cheers for watching, I'll see you later.